What's up, lovely people? How are you doing? I'm literally sun-kissed. The sun is setting so well. I hope you're doing well. It's been a minute. I want to give you a small tour of my kitchen garden. I know it's been almost a month without a video, but here I am. I just will give you an interesting story on my experience about giving. So let's start right here. So currently Nairobi has been really hot this November, but the garden has sort of survived. So this is like a tour of everything. Let me try to show you. It was thriving, but now sometimes I notice when you water, it's not the same as when it's raining. And then when it's so hot during the day, whatever you've watered evaporates. If you can see here, in the morning we watered until it floods, but by jioni imeshakauka. So these are the spinach. They are not doing so well right now, and we are giving them a break actually, because now the sun is happening. So we have spinach here, and then see this guava is spreading. No, it's called what? This, look what tree. You see that tree over there? That's my neighbor's tree there. So that tree, it sheds a lot of seeds when it's mature, and it's spread all over. There's another clip I had done. I don't even share it here. I was trying to pluck because it's now all over, and then in my grass, because those seeds, when it's mature, they drop in. Yeah, so that's just the favorite part of my compound. So currently we are on the side, that's the home, we are on the side of the garden. So here we have terere, the amaranth. No, I'll get the name in English. So this is a traditional vegetable. We have eggplant. This is how it looks like. And you remember I used to have a lemongrass which we plucked to create space for the chicken. And now, guys, it's really grown. Look at this. I'm so excited because nowadays I get to pluck it, and I just love how it smells. So I get to pluck it and use it for tea, like almost on a daily basis. Next, we have our mint plant. As I told you, this plant is very invasive as well, but it smells heavenly, guys. It smells amazing. Mint smells so good. So if you struggle to take water, because sometimes, especially when I'm home, I really struggle to take water, mint is just perfect for you. You can do mint in your water, and you don't even boil it, you just infuse it. Then even the lemongrass, it's also very good. You can put it in water. So besides the mint, we have the kales, or some people call them collard greens, sukuma wiki huku kwetu Kenya. So we have the sukuma wiki. They've really been hit by the sun, but we are trying to water. You can see we are trying to water them as much as we can, but hey, the sun is too hot, man. But anyway, we are hopeful it will rain. You can see there are quite a number. Then I have spring onions right here, and the more kales. These are the majority because we really use them for our favorite meal, which is ugali. And then we have this passion. It grew here, and we didn't plant it actually. It's like, I think it was from bird something. I don't know where the seed came from. I assume it's bird poop. Then it just grew. We wanted to remove it, but then we noticed something. Let me show you. We noticed it started bearing some fruits. Let me show you. Look. So vile imeanza kupata matunda, we decided to just keep it for now. Yeah, because it's still not affecting the vegetables so much, so it will remain there for. I wanted to remove it and put it across the fence, but the guy who helps me with landscaping told me sometimes when you remove it, it might just die. So now that it's even bearing some fruits, I think you can just keep it for now. Then we have more of this. This is a very good vegetable, terere. Then I tried to plant some saga. It's black nightshade. I think that's the English name. So we tried to plant some. Some have done well, but most of it is drying up. So we also have the Here it is. Some are also growing. We utilize seeds from the one that was recently overgrown. Then we have my favorite, rosemary, guys. Rosemary, this one, and it smells heavenly as well. It's the best. So rosemary, we use it for most of our meat stews. We put it in chicken, we put it in potatoes. It's just amazing, especially if you're doing wedges, you're baking or deep frying. After deep frying, you just put some and then you bake a little bit. It's just amazing. So, and it has a lot of health benefits. By the way, guys, I'm not a medic or anything, but I know these things have a lot of health benefits. You can Google the benefits of rosemary and all that. So terere pia kwa wingi huku, you can see it. We are trying to clear now and let it just sprout because it's been so hot. Our spring onions also, they're here. Yeah, they're doing better. Yeah, they were quite a number, but currently the sun is not doing justice to them, but we keep watering and we know it will be okay. Actually, all the seasons belong to God anyway, so we don't complain. When it's sunny, we try to water. And then you remember another time we were planting some tomatoes here, so we put them here like a seed bed, but sadly I tried to look for them. I think they all died. They didn't survive actually. And then you can see the mint. It's very, when I say it's invasivity, so it's spreading all over. It's spread all over. So the tomatoes, guys, the ones we were planting with my daughter a while back, hakuna yenye ili survive, but all in all, we are grateful. Then there was something else I planted here, cucumber. Do you know? I don't know. Someone came to help me here in the garden, but unfortunately they plucked it duly than any weeds, so we don't have it right now. Yeah, it's gone and it's done. Yeah, we also have, of course, last but not least, we have our pawpaw. It's like nowadays they are not, oh, the sun. Menda? So guys, I had promised to give you a story about giving. There was a point, for me, I'm a Christian and I've always loved giving, but there's a point in my life I reached and I was like, hey God, me you give sana, but I rarely get gifted, which is true actually. I don't know why givers most of the time find themselves not being gifted, yeah? So and then now God was trying to challenge me sometimes about giving. Sometimes it can be a bit challenging because you feel like maybe you don't have maybe enough to give, but he was challenging me about giving something that will cost you. You see, those guys who know the Bible story about Abraham, God alimwambia apatiane his only son, the son that he had prayed for so long. So God asked him to give out that son. Oops, I'm almost falling, guys. So God asked him to give out that boy. And you know what? Hey, that must have been hard. Maybe that is not even God and all. And from that story, it taught me to give something that's of value. When you want to give or to bless somebody, help someone in need, or even if you're giving to God, if you're a Christian, or if from your religion, if you give, for me, I'm speaking from a Christian perspective, you give something that's of value, something that you will feel, yes, I've given something that's good and it will help somebody. So there's something that has been happening recently, like this last quarter of the year. I've just been in a place where God has really, I don't know, but doors have started opening up on receiving, yeah? Like since August, like after my birthday, a friend and her husband gifted me something very nice all the way from the UK. Imagine someone just thinking about you. Then later on, as my sister gifted me something of worth, so it really felt good receiving. And then just today, a friend of mine had traveled. You know, this someone travels and you don't know, but when she came back, she brought me some goodies, some nice gifts that you will keep for long, that are so helpful, and they are very nice gifts, all the way from Singapore. Guys, what I'm trying to say, it feels so good to receive, and I think God was just trying to teach me something about giving, because I had reached that point. I'm like, hey God, but I don't receive as much, but I give. So I think from this lesson, I've just learned that keep giving, and when it feels so good to receive. So even if you don't give expecting all the time, but sometimes just give so that you can bless somebody. And when you receive a gift and feel that feeling, it encourages you to give more. And when you give, you're also creating space to receive. Otherwise, guys, I hope you've enjoyed a simple garden tour. We will keep showing you around, and we'll do more and more videos. So the sunset is so good. So guys, it's just an encouragement. Don't give up, keep giving, keep blessing someone, and even asking God for opportunities to bless people, because it opens doors for you in ways that you may not even be expecting. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching my video. God bless you. Keep it right here for more videos. Bye.